हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू वेल्थ लैब। आज की इस वीडियो में आई विल टेक यू थ्रू द लैब लुक बैक एडिशन नंबर 6। एंड हम लैब लुक बैक हर वीक लिखते हैं बट ऑन द सबस्टैक, एंड दिस नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट इट ऑन यूट्यूब एज वेल। द लैब लुक बैक इज़ बेसिकली अ वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर जहाँ पर वी कवर कि पिछले एक हफ्ते में मार्केट में क्या हुआ, कौन से स्टॉक्स में रोटेशन हुआ, कौन से सेक्टर्स में रोटेशन हुआ, पैसा कहाँ घूम रहा है, कौन से इंस्टीट्यूशंस कहाँ पर इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, और रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ और स्टेज टू मोमेंटम कहाँ कहाँ इस टाइम पे एग्जिस्ट करता है। इसी के साथ अगर कोई भी रेलिवेंट न्यूज़ है या कोई ऐसा जियोपॉलिटिकल इवेंट है विच विल हैव अ रेलिवेंट इम्पैक्ट ऑन द मार्केट, वी कवर दैट एज वेल। दिस वीक्स लैब लुक बैक्स title is Relief Rally or Real Rally. Before I go ahead, I would request, if you have been enjoying Wealth Lab, its various content, हमारा market insights, lab look back and other things, I would request you to subscribe to this, like it and comment in the comment section below how we have been trying to provide value to you. So let's come back. The lab look back, Relief Rally or Real Rally. So in the past 1 week, the market Nifty 500 has moved by 6.73%. अगर आपको ना पता हो तो factually this is the biggest single week increase in Nifty 500. Nifty 50 also went up by 5%. Biggest single week increase in Nifty 500 since the COVID crash. 6.73%, and 1862 stocks closed positive in the last 1 week versus 136. So we track a total of 2000 stocks on Wealth Lab, and उसमें से 1862 stocks, that's 90% of the market more or less, close positive. Alright, so is this a relief rally or a real rally? So we don't know that yet, but I'll tell you one thing कि अगर पूरा मार्केट ही चढ़ गया है, कचरा भी चढ़ गया है, अच्छा भी चढ़ गया है, सब कुछ चढ़ गया है, एवरीथिंग इज अप, देन इट इज़ डेफिनेटली नॉट अ 100% रियल रैली. देयर विल बी नेम्स दैट विल फेड आउट ऑफ इट. रिलीफ है कि टेम्प्रेरी बॉटम परमानेंट बॉटम में, वी विल नो. दिस अनदर वीडियो दैट वी मेड in which we talked about market bottoms. You can go to that video, I've tagged it here. You can go to that video and watch it if this is the market bottom, and we talk about 7 key pointers about if the market bottom is here or if we are still away from it and what does the data say. Coming back to this, 6.73% in a single week is a big number. So now there is a sector rotation tool that we track on Wealth Lab. So that has started favoring small and mid caps now starting this week. So it has moved above its 200-day moving average, and अब हमारा जो स्मॉल और मिड कैप की तरफ फेवर है, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ रिस्क ऑन सेंटिमेंट. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट एक वीक के रिस्क ऑन सेंटिमेंट से कुछ नहीं होगा. जैसे मैंने अभी बोला कि अगर पूरा मार्केट ही बढ़ गया है, सो देयर मीन्स देर आर नो लीडर्स राइट नाउ. Everywhere there is been buying, everywhere there has been, should I say, covering of the shorts. Okay, whoever has been selling is now buying. There has been covering of the shorts. अगर genuine buying होती है ना तो select pockets में होती है. अगर randomly पूरा market चढ़ रहा है, that means all the shorts or the negativity is being sucked out. This might be the start of a new bull run, or it might be already the new bull run, or it might just be a correction, a dead cat bounce. That we do not know. But एक वीक के बेसिस पे we cannot say that now we are favoring small and mid caps. We should still watch this data for another week, and then maybe consider if we should be focusing towards the risk on sentiment or risk off sentiment. Alright, now let's talk about MA participation. This is for Nifty 50 stocks, Nifty 500 stocks. In the past 1 week, from 19%, माने 1/5 of the market was trading above 50-day moving average in the last week. This Friday, half of the market is trading above 50-day moving average. This is a great signal for market health. But this is a significant increase again. तो it is a great signal. सब लोगों ने पोजीशन भी इनिशिएट कर दी हैं. There are traders who have started taking short-term positions and started testing the market. But again, this needs to show some correction and some bias towards certain select pockets. The whole market can't go up together. So Nifty 500 का इस time half the market is above 50-day moving average and 1/3 of the market is above 200-day moving average. Now अगर हम Nifty 200 की बात करें, Nifty 2000 की बात करें, माने top 2000 companies. So the percentage of 200 DMA has moved from 20 to 30. This seems fine. Alright. So 10% increase, 13% increase from last week. 17% increase from last week in the 100 day moving average, and again 32% increase from 50-day moving average. अब अगर नेट न्यू हाइस की बात करें तो वी मेड अ टोटल ऑफ 29 नेट न्यू हाइस, which means 39 52-week highs were hit in this week versus 5 the previous week. Stage 2 percentage, that means the number of stocks that are in momentum, that means the number of stocks that are stage 2 मतलब होता है stocks that are in momentum, have gone up from 6.38% to 15.11%. That is a major increase. So things do look better at this point, but we are not sure how sustainable this improvement is. We will need to see. Now next thing, let's talk about the big movers. अगर हम यहाँ पर बात करें कि हम 2000 स्टॉक्स ट्रैक करते हैं, तो हाउ मेनी स्टॉक्स वुड हैव गिवन अ 4% चेंज इन अ वीक. 4% चेंज इन अ वीक. 1555 stocks went up by 4% in the last week. That's out of 2000 stocks we track, 75% of the market went up by 4%. That is a huge number. Again, this is somewhat unreal. Okay. एंड 5-day मूवर्स की अगर बात करें, 5 दिन में 10% चेंज किसने दिखाया है? 121 स्टॉक्स ने. 10% ऑफ द मार्केट जो हम ट्रैक करते हैं, एक्चुअली 5% ऑफ द मार्केट, वी ट्रैक 2000 स्टॉक्स, 121 ऑफ दो स्टॉक्स हैव मूव 10%. नाउ देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द प्लेयर्स इन द मार्केट हु आर सेइंग कि this week they have hit all-time highs. The micro-cap investors they have recovered all the drawdown. आप मेरे को एक बात बताओ, अगर 10% 121 स्टॉक्स ने मूव किया है, मार्केट 15-16% करेक्ट हुआ, तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि समवन हैज़ हिट ऑल टाइम हाई. इट कैन ओनली हैपन अगर दे आर इन्वेस्टेड इन मे बी 1 or 2 नेम्स. दैट इज़ इट. ऑल राइट. अगर वो एक या दो नेम में इन्वेस्टेड हैं, आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज़ वेरी प्रूडेंट टू बी एज एन इन्वेस्टर और अ ट्रेडर कि आप एक दो नेम्स में इन्वेस्टेड हो और उसके बाद यू आर सेइंग कि आई हिट ऑल टाइम हाई. आई थिंक व्हेन द मार्केट करेक्ट्स यू विल हिट ऑल टाइम लोस एंड लोस एंड लोस एंड लोस. सो दैट इज़ नॉट वेरी, दैट्स नॉट द बेस्ट वे टू बी मूविंग अबाउट इट. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट स्टेज 2 पाइपलाइन. स्टेज 2 पाइपलाइन में बेसिकली हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि कौन से सेक्टर्स के स्टॉक्स जो है मोमेंटम में आ गए हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस विल हेल्प यू फाइंड आउट विच, बेसिकली इट्स सेट कि लेट योर स्टॉक्स लीड यू टू सेक्टर. तो हमने फिगर आउट किया कि कौन से स्टॉक्स मोमेंटम में आ रहे हैं, देन वी कपल्ड देम एंड सॉ कि वो स्टॉक्स कौन से सेक्टर्स को बिलोंग करते हैं. करेक्ट, वी मेड इट ईजी. सो ऑटो एंसिलरीज के 11 स्टॉक्स आर इन स्टेज 2 नाउ. मेटल्स, स्टील्स, these three things, auto ancillary, metal and steel were also the leaders if you remember in October, November, December, somewhat some of the January. So these are the leaders of the past. They have again come out in the top. I think this is misleading. हमें टॉप 3 को इग्नोर कर देना चाहिए यहाँ पर, क्योंकि ये पास्ट के लीडर हैं. दे कैन स्टिल परफॉर्म बट एवरीवन नोज अबाउट देम. ओके, दे आर क्राउडेड, एवरीवन इज वॉचिंग देम. We should talk about the next 4: private banks, NBFCs, power, wire and cable, jewelry. This is where new entries have come in. This is the leaders of the future. यहाँ पर होने वाली है future rally, and you can tag this, you can mark this. We are talking about it since a while. Private banks can give a great rally, NBFCs can give a great rally. They can be the leaders of future. Why? In the previous video, we also mentioned that the fundamentally price to earning curve of price to book of private banks is below their long term average. Number one. Number two, the leverage ratio, that is debt to equity, is the lowest. Balance sheets are strong. So if there is a good credit cycle, that is credit starts to open up. In that case, it will be very easy for these banks which have low leverage to extend credit, have some leverage on the balance sheet, and increase their ROEs, increase their profits, increase their margins, increase their loan books, everything all together, and it will be a great run for these. And that is why you will also see that Parag Parikh, FlexiCap Index and FlexiCap Mutual Fund has also been accumulating private banks. Very, very important. All right. Now let's move to the next. This is the entries in stage 2. These are the top 10 entries in stage 2 ranked by relative strength. This is just to show you कि 100% जो top 2% of the market है वो कहाँ पर situate करता है. इस time oil and gas, again Parag Parikh has been accumulating this. There is IT services, Megasoft. There is wires and cables here. There is wires and cables here also. There is wires and cables. When you talk about entries में stocks में भी top पे there is wires and cables. Okay, these are stage 2 entries. Let's talk about sector rotation. So there was a whole gaga about defense sector. This is ranked on relative strength of the market. There was whole gaga about defense sector की लड़ाई होगा, war होगा, defense पे यहाँ जाएगा वहाँ जाएगा. Nothing of that sort. All right. So defense sector in this correction has actually lost strength. Services sector, which was also leading, has again lost strength. Mining and minerals stage 2 में lead कर रहा है, but over here it has again, in the broader market, it has again lost strength. These are the leaders of the future. As I already told in the previous one, these are the leaders of the future. We want to figure out the leaders of the, these are the leaders of the past. We want to figure out the leaders of the future. So steel, food, agri, wires and cables again is showing up in the relative strength also. तो अगर आप देखोगे तो स्टेज टू में वायर्स एंड केबल्स, स्टॉक्स में वायर्स एंड केबल्स, एंड सेक्टर रोटेशन में वायर्स एंड केबल्स आर it has shown us 29% stage 2 increase, and RS has gone up by 3.8 points, average RS of the whole industry. I think this is some place that can be focused on, that people can actually see the stocks inside. All right, so wires and cables looks like another good input point. We track, before I go further, we track all of this information at Wealth Lab. This is our weekly recap tab. तो यहाँ पर हमें सारा information, what is, how the sectors rotating, how is the stage 2 pipeline, what sectors gained, what sectors lost. Stage 2 pipeline, we will see private banks gained by a lot, as I showed you already. Then the market breadth, big movers and everything we track over here. If you can track RS analysis, you can do stage 2, you can do industry analysis, you can track your stocks, you can read the articles, insights that we do, and a lot more on Wealth Lab. You can see which sector, which industry, which stock is ranking how across the broad market. You can see how the stocks within this sector, industry, etc. have been ranking against each other in the broad market. All right. So now let's go back, and what is the key takeaway from this week? So the market has bounced hard by a 6.73% in a single week. So the real thing that can be done here is two. One is that I and a lot of other people can and have used this bounce back to clear the weeds that are in the portfolio. तो जो आपको लगता है कि भाई, क्योंकि इसमें कचरा भी बढ़ गया है, सब कुछ बढ़ गया है, जिसमें आपको लगता है कि भाई ये स्टॉक तो अच्छा नहीं था, या मेरा ट्रेड अच्छा नहीं था, या आप यू हैव बीन होल्डिंग इट बाय चांस और बाय विल. तो in this bounce you could have easily sold them, you can still sell them in this bounce and get some cash for better trades, maybe private banks, maybe wires and cables, maybe some other places that the RS screener is guiding you or stage 2 screener is guiding you. All right. Number 2, where the next leaders are forming. So we realize that the leaders of the past, which is metals, steel, defense, they are still up, but they have lost strength in their upcycle, right? So leaders of the past have lost strength, and there may be a new chapter that is coming up, which is private banks, NBFC, wire cable, jewelry, and real estate. This is where we should keep our eye. This is where leaders of the future can emerge. If this is a real rally or a fake rally or a rally might come, this is where the leaders of the future can happen. So we have to let the leaders emerge and we have to follow them. So the market will give us more data over the next couple of weeks. Our job as traders and investors is to make sure that we follow the data and our trading framework to get the maximum return out of whatever opportunities that we get. If you have any questions with respect to Wealth Lab, with respect to this lab look back on any other thing, you can comment below. I'll make sure that I answer them. You can check us on Substack, you can check us on YouTube, you can check us on Twitter, you can drop me a text directly. You can also check Wealth Lab and explore. We have a free trial going on, so you can check all of this, explore, and come up with insights, come up with great trades. I hope you have a bombastic next week. I hope you made some recovery in the past week. I hope you make better trades next week. And we are coming out with a CanSlim series very soon. So do like, share, and subscribe. I will see you soon.